Hello, that's me again. Yes, hi. Eagle133 is live. 2 streams in a row. Let's go. Making a game, guys. Making a real game. It's going great. It's progressing like non-stop. It's good. Alright, so today, what we gonna do? What we gonna do today? So we're gonna do item swap, but item swap with the art. So you're gonna hold an armor in the inventory, you're gonna see the armor on the character. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, and we're starting this right now. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. So yesterday, let's see what we did all together. Let's take a look. Ooh, I have a lot of stuff going on. Look at this. Okay, so what we did. Let's see what's working and what doesn't work. Okay, so we have attack, defense, level 1, XP. And if I select the sword here, it equips automatically. It's kind of annoying. Like if I use this, it said if you equip the sword, it's +4 attack. Bang. If you equip this sword, it's -4. Okay. So the only thing is we don't see the difference on the character, but we're gonna change this today. This is the big sword. Damn, that do a lot of damage. And the same thing with the armor. +5 defense. -5. So basically, we have a good base, you know. We have a good base. We just have to make it on the character. Would be nice. Would be really, really nice, actually. I one-shot everything. Look at this. Boom. Max level. Here we go. Yeah. So it's okay. We just have to continue, I guess. Alright, we're gonna make the visual today. It's progressing, it's progressing. Okay, so for the visual, I have a lot of thing to do. But let's watch the video, let's see the tutorial first, and we'll see, we're gonna go slowly with this one, actually. Because there's a lot of things to fix, so... let me take a look.
In this video, we're going to...
Alright, let me stop the music. Bye-bye music. And let's watch this. Let's see.
And have it update our player sprite sheet so that we can change appearance for... Okay, so let's actually look at this sprite file real quick.
So I have my sprite. I made it.
I want to show you kind of how I've set this up. So this is an example. I've got
how he did that actually
with the ninja suit here, and you can see that the weapon is no longer part.
Yeah, I removed the weapon as well.
Okay,
I did.
And what I've done is I've separated this out, and I did a live stream where I worked on some of this, but I've separated this out to this other sprite.
That's what I did actually.
I have a player reference in here, but I don't actually export that. I just have the sword, and I have a layer for when the sword is below the player and one for when it's above the player. Okay, and so
I did that.
See, I've got the sword in its sheath, and a good example of this is like this charge up. You can see that this sheath is in the above layer, and the sword.
Okay,
is
I did all
layer.
this offline. So actually, I did that game, like this weekend, the last weekend.
We're going to have.
I mean, during the week, last week.
That are below. And in order to export this. When I export this file, I'm going to show you some settings here. I'm going to split the layers. So you can see I only have...
How we do that?
2 layers made visible above and below. And so when I split the layers, what's going to happen is you can see I'm keeping my export kind of similar to how I've exported the player sprite. You can see all of the frames, but you'll notice there's a lot of gaps because first it's exporting what is below the player. Okay, and then down here below, what it does when you split the layers, see if I turn this off, you can see all of them are combined. And then as soon as I split, we get the below and the above exported in separate frames. And so basically we've got the same format. It's in one file, but we've split those in two. Now you could also just export the above and the below.
Okay, let's see how it's going to manage this.
Go ahead and drop them in the comments. And
that's why I want to know.
Should make a video about this more in depth.
It's going to be in player for
let's
sure.
Get back over to Godot. All right, so let's get into the player. Let's open the player scene.
Oh God, there's a lot of work now.
I've probably noticed in my recent videos that my player no longer has the sword because I've already brought in these new sprite sheets for the player, and so the player sprite itself doesn't have the weapon. And I'll just point this out with the game running so you can see what I'm talking about.
Yeah, so you have
no weapon on his back, and of course when I attack, I've still got the slash effect because that was already a separate sprite sheet, but you can see the player's not holding a sword. Okay. And that's because, again, I've stripped the player sprite down to just the player himself and no weapon so that they're separate and it's easy to implement this feature that we want, okay?
How are you going to do this? I'm curious.
We're going to have to add some additional sprites to the player scene. So let's go ahead and do that. So what we're going to do is let's look at our player sprite. So the sprite 2D is where the player sprite is. You can see the texture here. We've got the regular player sprite.
Is there a way to make it more clean?
That's fine. We don't need to do anything with that sprite. But what we need is we're going to need some other sprite sheets that we can use to add the weapon to. And so let's go ahead underneath our player sprite 2D. Man, I keep clicking on that. And let's add 2 more sprite 2Ds. So let's see.
So he's adding more.
Sprite 2D. I'm going to drag this to the top up here. And let's just call this
on
one
top of it.
weapon underscore under or below. We can call it below. And then before we make, we're going to need one for the above. But let's go ahead and grab our sprite sheet that we want. And we'll start with the regular.
Okay, so let me. I think the first step will be to change this with no sword. I think it would be the first step. Like, we need to remove this thing with no sword. That's the first step, I think. Alright, so let me do it. So I need to delete all of this. Attack down. Well, I need to import my new stuff. Okay, I have made everything, like I said. It was really long, by the way. I have new everything. I have a new character sprite sheet, totally. Like, it's like 3 new folder. I'm gonna export all of them with all the sprite in there. Let's go and Godot. Let's export them in let me see. Player sprite. Yep. Let's open this. I'm gonna put everything there. How many megabyte that thing costs? 19! 20 megabyte for just this? I'm shocked. Seriously? Wow. Oh boy, okay. Well, I don't think this game will be playable on iPhone, huh? Imagine the amount of stuff. Holy cow. Dude. Think about it. Let's calculate this. That's insane. Let's calculate this. One second. So, if... Okay, so if I have... So it's 20 megabyte for 2 sword and 2 armor. For 1 character. So imagine I have... Let's be realistic, okay? Let's say I have 7 armor with 7 sword. Let's be realistic, okay? So, for 2, so it's 10 megabyte by sprite, right? So, 10 by 7 and by 2. 140 megabyte for 1 character. Let's see. For 7. So if I have, let's exaggerate. If I have 80 character, wait, 11 gig. No shot. Let me convert it. I'm not sure my convert is good. Chat GPT. That's gonna be a problem. Let me tell you. Dude, this is insane. Convert. $10.9 gigabyte for 80 character. Houston, we have a problem. Dude, this is, I'm not counting Monster. What? This is kind of insane. 11 gig? So, how many... Let me check. What's the smartphone? Okay. Okay, what's the smartphone? Let me check. ChatGPT. What is the... What is... I'm gonna ask ChatGPT something. What is the... How many... How many meg or gig a big AAA game can take on space on a phone? 2 gigabyte to 20 gigabyte of storage. You have a good example here. Look at this. Diablo Immortal 5 to 10 gigabyte. 10 to 20 gigabytes. My god. Yeah, this is a big deal, huh? Well, this is yeah, this is too much, man. Like, seriously. I mean, I don't care about. My God. So 5 to 10 gigabyte is the target. Well, I already explored the target. Let me tell you. 11 gigabyte for 80 character. Whoa. I mean, that's insane. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT another thing now. Is there a way to reduce a PNG file in size? There is a way. Look what he said. Convert PNG to WebP. Interesting. Do you want me to compress a PNG file for you? Okay, let's try it. Yes. Convert this one here. No, wait. Convert base attack 1. Can you turn this file into a WebP? WebP. Let me try. He did it. So yeah, it's working very well. Can I open it? Did I lose the quality? Oh my God. I think I lose the quality, right? Pretty sure I did. Let me check again. Is it the same? Nah, you lose color. Look. Yeah, you lose color a lot, actually. Yeah, you lose color. Well, I lost color in the WebP. Can you make it with no color loss? He did it again. Let's see. Oh yeah, he didn't lose the color this time. What's the side of this? $20 KO? Wait, what? 20 KO? What? That's insane. Can I use this in Godot? 20 KO? What the hell, man? That's crazy. What? Okay, can I use this in Godot? That's the question. That's crazy, crazy, crazy. Wait, let's do a test. Dude, this is insane. 20 kilobytes from 140? The range is huge. It's like 90% lease. Yike. If I can use this in Godot, it's GG. Holy cow. Let's see. Let's see. Is it in Godot? No, it's not. Not. Okay, let me try to use it in Godot. That's insane. Imagine if it's worked. That's crazy, man. Test web p image. That's crazy if this thing worked. Crazy, let me tell you. Okay, is it working? That would be nice if it worked. I'm not sure. Let's try. So player, sprite, webp. No shot, it's working. Oh my god. It worked. Wait, that's crazy. Holy cow. Dude, that's insane. I can't believe it. Dude. So I reduce... No shot. Dude, 20 kilobyte from 140. Alright, this changed everything now. What? How many percentage this is? No, it's not 28. What do I have to do? I have to do like 20 divide by 100 by 140? No. Oh yeah, actually, yeah. Because if you do 5 by 5, yeah. So it's 28% lease. Okay, so it's... No, it's not 28. So it's 28. So 70% lease. Alright, so ChatGPT. What is calculate CentOS of 11 gig? So by doing this, uh, 28%, no, sorry. So by doing this, I'm saving 7.9 gigabyte. You kidding? That's crazy. Oh my god. Look, I'm saving 7.9 gigabytes. GG. We find the problem. It's okay. There's no problem. Let's just move on then. That's insane. Holy shit. Alright, that's crazy. I didn't know this was working. We discovered something today. Let me tell you. Okay, well, nothing to worry about the PNG file. Nothing to worry. Okay, so let's start this. So we're gonna redo all the sprite for no sword. Yeah, in the base armor. So how this work again? Attack down. Okay. That's gonna be long, but I have to do it. So attack left 1. Yeah, that's just crazy. Like, I'm very shocked. I can't see the name correctly. It's so annoying. Ah, here we go. So I want attack 1 left. Okay. Attack 1 up. Wait, up? I did it, no? My bad. So this one is wrong here. Dude, that's insane that it's working. Dude, you're saving so much space. This is crazy. Just crazy, man. Okay, attack 2 down. You know, I think I should delete all of them first. And after this, do it one after one. Will be faster. Bye-bye. It's sad to delete all this, but, you know. It's for a good cause. Bye-bye. There's no option delete all. It's sad. Can I? No. There's no option. Nothing I can do. No option, no option. So what do you want me to do? Delete everything? Yeah, so my Game Pass, why deleting your work? Because I'm doing a massive revamp of the animation. Because now the game will be able to switch the sprite depending of the item you hear, like in Diablo or any hack and slash, you know. When you have a golden armor, you will see the golden armor. When you have a different sword, you have a different sword. So I revamp everything. So I'm deleting every sprite, and we're gonna make it like, yeah. I remember you from your work on D2 mod before D2R. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's me, Rich Dolo. Yeah, I'm turning this game into something similar, sadly. I'm stuck with hack and slash. I don't know what to do. It's at the beginning I was like, oh no, let me make a small game with, you know, it's always finished, complicated, and it's my, yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a lot of work, but yeah, I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's a lot of work, but it's gonna be nice. That's the thing. You haven't seen a lot of... So the thing is, my game is high quality sprite. So the thing is, my game is high quality sprites, 64 by 64 and 128 by 128, and there is no game like this. Like, find me a game with. Okay, no, sorry. There is one game I see with this quality of sprite. It's Star something, you know. It's I see one game. The game is really good, by the way. It's like a turn-based game, but not a hack and slash. It's not a hack and slash, and I think that's gonna be the first high quality sprite hack and slash you ever see. What do you think of Rest for the Wicked? Oh, that look cool, yeah. Maple Story? Ah, maybe, yeah, maybe. I didn't think about that. I think Maple Story have high quality sprite too, like 64, I think. Yeah, maybe you're right, actually. Gonna have to check. We're talking about high quality sprite here, not like small pixels, so... Yeah. There is a game that was made. There is a game. It's a turn by turn game. It's turn based like Final Fantasy. It's a very beautiful game. The quality of the sprite is insane. It's no. It's Star something. It's so good. I mean, it's really, the quality is insane. The game look fantastic. You know. Yeah, there's not that much, yeah. It's a French-Canadian game, actually. Like, it's made in my country. It's a really good game. I think it's Star something. Star, there's a Star name. I don't know. I don't remember, actually. Okay, so, let's go. Alright, so let's continue. Attack 2 down. Boom. So that's the new sprite here. Okay. Attack 2 left. Attack 2 left. Attack 2 left. Okay, there we go. Attack 2 up. Attack 2 up. Attack 2 up. Back. Okay. Charge 1, attack down. So front, charge. What is this? Charge down. Charge attack. Huh? I mean, I have Idol and Walk. I guess it's this one, but... Let me check. Yeah, it's this one. No. Charge 1, attack down. Nah. This is the Whirlwill. Yeah, it's not this one, actually. Nah, it's not this one. It's the Whirlwill, I think. Whirlwill. Yeah, this one. Yeah, it's this one. Boom. Look at this. Pew. Okay. So, left. Whirlwill left. Oh, it's the same, actually. And up. The same thing. Okay. Charge down. Charge down. Charge down. Charge all. Here we go. This one. Nice roll animation attack. Thank you. Yeah, there's a couple nice. Charge left. Charge left. This one. So I made like in Secret of Mana, the weapon is another frame. Exactly like Secret of Mana. That's what I made. So if you switch weapon, you have a different sprite. So that's what I did actually. And I push it a little bit too, and I put the armor, the chest piece too. It's gonna change. So hey, I work really hard, okay? I try to make something good. So back charge. There we go. Charge, walk down. Charge, walk down. There we go. Oh no, not this one. Charge, walk down. Charge, walk. Charge, old walk. Yeah, this one. Charge, walk, left. Okay. Charge, walk, up. Charge, walk, back. No, it's not this one. Charge, walk, back. Yes, this one here. Okay. Idle down. The classic idle down. Idle left. Idle left. Idle left. Here we go. Idle up. Imagine having 8 direction sprite. I would die, dude. Imagine having 8 direction sprite. Ugh. The amount of work. Like, you need a team of like 30 person. Like, no joke. Okay, so run down. Run. Run left. Run left. Run up. Run up. Imagine missing a frame. You're gonna be crazy. Stun down. Stun. Well, let's get it actually. There we go. Stun left. Get it left. Yeah, I should change the name. Oh, whoa. Almost crash. What the hell happening? Yo, let me save. My god, my Godot became crazy. Let me save. Let me reload this. Oh my Godot almost crashed with all this work. Holy cow. Imagine. Dungeon Fighter Online? I don't think you have high quality sprite in this one. I think it's low quality sprite. My game is about visual. I want the game to look good because I don't like to play a 2D game that look shit. I'm sorry, but it doesn't appeal me. I want the game to look good. Like, I want the game to look interesting, good, you know. So that's why, yeah. Alright, let's continue. Stun up. So, stun up. Because if the game look bad as a sprite game, it doesn't appeal me at all. Like, absolutely not. I'm always like, bleh. Every time I see a sprite game, I'm like, bleh. Except the one I told you, like the game, like, I'm gonna find the name of the game. Except that one looked really great, but it's a turn-by-turn game, and I don't like it. Not my type of game. It was in back in time when I played Final Fantasy, but now, I don't know, it's different. Now it's, yeah. Victory. Victory. That's a big sprite. Victory. Victory up. Victory. Okay. Walk down. Wall down, wall down, wall down. Here we go. Walk left. Okay. Walk up. Okay. Carry down. Okay, this is carry idle actually. So grab all idle. Carry left. Left, grab all idle. There you go. Okay. Carry up. Carry all idle. No, grab all idle. Okay. I mean, in my game, you can see the air of the character moving with the wind. That's what I'm talking about. You can see like the belt, the base of the armor is moving with the wing. That's what I'm talking about. That's what appealing to me when I play a sprite game. You know. Who wants to play a 8-bit sprite game hack and slash? Seriously. Carry, walk down. Alright. So, carry, walk down. This one. Carry, walk left. I can't believe I did all this in one day. Oh my god. Carry, all left. Walk left. There we go. I did all the animation and stuff in one day. I don't know how. It took me like 5 hours or something like that. I was tired. My brain, dude. Walk up. There we go. The dead animation. Oh my god. Which one this is? Dead animation. Dead idle? guess it's this one. The default animation, I don't know. Lift down. Wait a minute. I didn't put the get down animation. Where is it? I think it's this one actually. Okay, yeah. I think it's this one. Let me try to remove it. Yeah, I think it's this one actually. It's called get down animation. Yeah. I think it's this one. Yeah. Yeah, it's this one. Okay. Default. So lift down. Grab. Okay. Lift left. Grab. Okay. Lift up. Here we go. Okay, so that's the first step. We have the new animation. All right, let's test this right on the bat. So we have all the new animation. Let's see. Let's go. Let's test it. Okay. It seems to work. Everything seems to work. That's good. I'm not sure why there's two sprites. Let me double check. Everything seems to work. We're gonna test in game. Okay. I got it. I'm attacking. There's no sword in my hand, but it's normal. Okay. Let me try to die and see if its animation works. Can I grab? Yeah. Okay. Can I walk? Yeah, it's working. Okay. Let me try to die. Almost. Dead. Ah, it's working. Nice. Okay, so yeah, it's work. Good. Alright, let's continue. So there's a lot of things to do. So what he did is he put the sword as another animation sprite. Okay, so let's do it. So new animated sprite 2D. Wait, as a child of the one or? A sprite frame resource must be. Oh, yeah. I think it's like this, as a child of the other. I'm gonna call this like. Sword. Sword base. Sword base. Okay. So why I cannot set up animation? Hello? What it said. A sprite resource must be created in sprite frame property or other sprite to display frame. A sprite frame resource must be created or set in the sprite frame property in order to animate to display frame. The hell? But it's an animation sprite. I don't get it. Dude. Can I just duplicate this one? I mean, I'm gonna have to remove everything, but... Or can I... Yeah, let me save first. I don't like to duplicate like this. Duplicate. Oh boy. We need to remove everything. Alright, 1 second. We need to remove everything in there. Okay. So there's no error this time, but okay. Okay, so I have my frame, but I need to re-delete everything? Are you serious? Man. Well, at least I have my... the name still. Jesus Christ, man. Wait. How come it copy with this word? Huh? What the hell? Hey, that's very weird. 1 second. Wait a minute. It's empty! Huh? Oh no, why? Because it's the same animation? Wait, what? 1 second. Don't save. I think I made a huge mistake. What the hell? Oh my god, what I did. God, okay. Okay, I still have my animation. Okay. Well, this one is bug, by the way. I didn't delete it. Attack 1 up. Player. Sprite. Base. So, back attack 1. 8. Right. Yeah, better. Okay, just one was bugged, but still. Okay, save. Okay, let me retry with without. I mean, I still want to duplicate, but I'm not sure because I want the name. Can I copy all this? Copy frame. Can you copy animation? think you can. Interesting. Okay, well, can I duplicate them and without losing everything? Let me save this. Let me try again. Duplicate. But, yeah, let's remove all this. Delete. And then, animation. Sprite frame. Oh shit. Ah. So it's sharing. Okay, I see. Oh, you can load it. Oh. Well, can I make another? I mean, do I have to make another all the time? Or? Yo, EO Flash, what's up? Sword base. I'm wondering if I have to make another. Because... I mean, let me try. Attack one down. Well, let me try. So... Sword... Base, attack one down. Just sword base. No, yeah. No, yeah. Sword base, attack one down. Okay, let me try this one. 40 FPS. And... it would be much more simple if I can just rename it. You know? So... attack one down. Let me try. Here. As a sword. Oh, yeah, it's actually working. Okay. But, well, it would be more simple if I can duplicate it and rename it. But I don't know if it's possible. Huh. Because it's a different frame thing. What's up, EO Flash? You know? Yeah. Because I'm gonna have to rewrite everything and it pissed me off, you know? It really pissed me off. Can I not copy all this? There might be a way, because it's a sprite frame. There might be a way. Oh, sprite frame. Look. Wait, how you do that? How this work? Because if I said copy, can I copy this? Copy. Paste. Oops. Okay, I have another idea. Let me try something else. I'm gonna copy this. Duplicate. Okay. I'm gonna delete everything in there. Yeah. I'm gonna keep this. But I'm gonna just change the name of it. You think it's gonna work? Do you think this one will change? Hey, it's working. I think it worked. I think. I'm not sure, but let me try. So sword. Sword. Oh no, it's sword base. Oops. Oops. Made a mistake. Wait, why is my first sword base? Oh yeah. 1 second. Base. Base. Do you think it's gonna work? Ah, no, it doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. It's the same. It doesn't work. Oh no, so I have to redo everything. What? Dude, this is painful. You kidding me, man? Dude. Seriously? Because it's another sprite frame? How you can extract the sprite frame? Oh, wait, you can. Wait, look, 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 look. You can actually. Wait, 1 second. Don't save. I got it. Yeah, there is an option. We will figure out. There's an option. There is an option. There is an option. I told you. Alright. So this is my good one, right? Yeah. So if you go in sprite frame, if you select it, you can save as. Oh. Okay, let's make a new folder. Let's call a folder new folder called sprite player. What's the name of this, guys? No. Sprite frame. Okay. And in there, I'm gonna save this thing. Save as sprite frame. Call this one brown. Wait. Brown hero base armor. Okay. Okay. And I'm gonna do another. We call it base sword. Save. Okay. Then now I create a new animation to the bullshit. Yeah. And then I load. Look at this. Load player sprite frame sword base. Oh, and I got all my thing, right? Yeah. Okay. So I rename it sword base. Okay, so so now that means I can change it and it should work, right? Actually, I can probably use the same animation. Okay, let me try. Let me try to delete this one. Ah! I delete boot! Ah! Ah, this is so dumb. Dude. That's not right. How many animation this is? 13. Wait, 13? Wait, what? No. Ah, because I delete boot. Oh, no. Okay, one second. Let me fix it. I need to try one more thing before cancelling this operation. Attack down. Ah, this is so dumb, man. Sprite. Base armor. I want... Where is it? Attack one down. This one. 8 by 8. Okay. Alright. So, I think it's because it's the same name, right? But if I change the name, it should not change the other one. Let me try. Okay, and this one. It changed the other one. What? This thing doesn't work. No joke. But it's not the same sprite resources. What the hell, man? You kidding me? It's not the same, right? Sword base? Ah! It's the same! What? What is this? Okay, the first one is... Can I do quick load? The first one is base armor. Okay. The second one is base sword. But it's different. Right? Ah. Oh yeah, it's different. I can see here. So attack 1 down. Sword base attack 1. Wait, I'm gonna change the name. Just for fun. But it's two different. You have base armor and base sword. Okay, let me try to change it. Delete it. Okay. And let's put the sword. So front attack 1. No. Sorry. Base sword. Front attack 1. Here we go. Okay. So now we have this one and this one. Here we go. That's working now. Night work. Well, the sword have to be on front, right? Or maybe not. Does it have to be on front? No. It's not on front anyway. It has to be a child of this. Why do I put my sword here? Oh, there's an ordering. Oh wow. Well, that's a problem. You know. Okay, what about we move on and we do all the animation and we fix the sword problem after? Because I'm not sure where I have to put the sword thing actually. On front or I don't know. Okay, but it's actually working, right? So base sword and base armor. Okay. So it's working for now. For now, it's working. Okay, so let me try to delete this. Oh yeah, it's working. I got it. It's working now. Okay, so I can delete all this now. Alright, that's good. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna save an empty file of all this. It's gonna save me some time. Ah, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, like a mannequin, you know? Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Damn, that's a lot of work. I didn't know it was that much work, but yeah. I mean, you have to understand, like, it's like almost 20 frames by everything. Well, this is how Secret of Mana works, so let's do like the game. If they can do it in 1997 or 96, I can do it in 2025, okay? That's my goal. I mean, I can use the empty frame from for everything actually, like the armor, the sword, everything. I just have to change the name after. It's no big deal. It's long, but I have to delete everything. So the question is how many character I'm gonna make, how many armor I'm gonna make, how many item I'm gonna make. That's a huge question. How many item by character? How many armor by character? That's a huge question to think. I mean, the team, my development team is one person. So, I mean, if you have a team of people, I guess you can make a lot, but you know, it's not like I'm alone in this. So, but that's pretty cool that everything is working. I should make maybe the web version. Well. Almost there. Almost there, guys. I know tonight's stream was like this. I know I had to redo all the sprite. I mean, I was prepared. I did all this offline. Was 2 days ago, I think. It was really long. Let me tell you. It took me the full day. I was offline the full day, and I did all this. I did 2 sword and 2 armor. Imagine that. Imagine the work. Okay, it's empty now. Okay, so we have all the animation. Alright, so now what we have to do is to save this as empty. All animation. Empty all animation. Just empty, I will understand. Bronze hero empty. Save. Okay. So now we have the empty version. Perfect. So when you have the empty version, you resave. Save as base word. You want to overwrite yes. Okay. So basically base word and base armor. Good. Okay, let's do base word. Let's do it. So base word, sword new base. Okay. So the first one is attack 1 down. Front attack 1. Here we go. Okay. Attack left. Left attack 1. Here we go. Oh wow. Okay. The sword is like black. What? Attack up. Okay. So is it working? Oh yeah, it's working. Okay. Attack down. 2 attack down. Okay. 2 attack left. Okay. 2 attack up. Okay. Charge 1 attack down. Charge attack down. Huh? have walk. What is charge 1 attack down? It's walking? I think it's walking. No, it's not. Wait, what is it? Charge 1 down? Ah, yeah. Every time I got confused. No, it's not this. It's the whirlwind. Every time I got confused. It's just whirlwind, actually. No, it's this one. Okay. And yeah, it's the same for this one. Whirlwind. Damn. Whirlwind. And it's not like, yeah. Charge 1 down. Here we go. Front. Charge. Idle. Here we go. Here we go. Charge 1 left. Charge 1 left. Charge 1 left. Charge hold. Charge 1 up. Charge hold. Charge walk down. I need to change the name of it. Because it's so confusing. It's front, but whatever. Charge wall down. Charge walk left. Charge walk up. Okay. Idle down. Idle left. You know what I think the problem is gonna be? It's the position of the sword. We'll see, but I have the feeling it's gonna be a problem. Idle up. Run down. Run left. Run left. I mean, we're gonna try with this and we'll see. Run up. How it's going, and if it doesn't work, we can make some adjustment, you know. Maybe we can reduce all this. Stun down. Get it. Stun left, because it's kind of long, let me tell you. Like I said, if you have a team of people, it's not long, but I'm alone, so imagine. Imagine. Victory. Victory pose. Victory pose. Victory up. Victory pose. Okay, walk down. Walk left. Walk up. Carry down. Carry. It's all either, I think. Is it? Yeah. Carry left. Carry up. Okay, carry walk down. Imagine it crash, I would be so pissed. Carry walk left. Carry walk up. Did I take the good one for this one? Oh yeah, I did. The dead animation. Okay. The lift down. Grab. The lift left. And the last one, finally, the lift up. Grab. Here we go. We did it! Way! Damn, let's save this. We did it. Oh my god, that was something. Okay. So now, how this work? I mean, it's not on front. Let me check the video a little bit. What he's doing with the front thing?
In this, and you can see it's got all the stuff in there. We've got the frames that are below and the frames that are above.
Let me check.
And how this is going to work is we're going to go into the animation. We have 16 horizontal, and for the for the visibility, we'll turn the show behind. Okay? And then by default, I want to set this frame to frame 128. So there's 128 frames per each section. Okay, so frame 128 is where it starts back over, and you can see that it's transparent because there's nothing on that frame for the above. Okay, so I hope that makes a little bit of sense. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use code.
Wait, what he's doing?
I want to set this frame to frame 128. This one, instead of below, is below the player. And then let's go ahead and duplicate the sprite sheet. And I'm going to rename this one, instead of below, we'll call it above. And it's already kind of configured, right? We've got the sprite sheet. Let's go ahead.
He's making two animations.
Let's see, for the visibility, we'll turn the show behind off. Okay. And then by default,
this is not like this is not really what I was looking for. Well, I'm disappointed a little bit. When I was thinking I can put a child of it. You know? That was I was thinking. And automatically he go... Oh, it doesn't seem to work like this. Huh? Dude, how I'm gonna do this? How I'm gonna do this? That's a big question. Huh. So if I use top level, it's always on top. You know. But every time I use top level, it's not center. I don't know. It's out scaling. I don't know why. Oh no. Yeah, it worked actually. Top level, look. Okay. But I don't think top level is a good thing, right? Imagine, let me get another animation. Let's take imagine oh yeah, imagine charge up. You cannot put top level and charge up. Is it a different depending of the animation? Charge up. Look. Top level. I mean, you cannot do that. Dude, this is not gonna work. Wait a minute. No shot is gonna work. It's not gonna work, man. I cannot use top level. Show behind parent. Dude. What? Okay, let's try attack down. Attack down. But you don't see the sword. What? Okay, let me try attack left then. Ah, no way. No. No, you don't see the sword at all. No. It's not even in the hand. What is this? Why it's so out scale? What is this? Ah, so it's always on front, right? Okay. Attack up. Yeah, but attack up is not gonna work. Oh my god, this doesn't work, guys. It's not working. Dude. If I turn it on and off, maybe. Like you need attack up to be behind player. right? It's moving the position. This is not working. That is not working. Wait a minute. This might be a way. Can I use a Y sort? Look. Look. I cannot do that because I'm gonna have to move. No. Well. Okay, give me the last frame of this one. Okay. And the last frame of this one. Okay, so do you see the sword? So it have to be behind. You understand that? So what if... Well, it's behind, right? Is it? I think it's behind. I mean, it's not bad, but the thing is, I mean, take the frame. Okay, I'll give you an example. Use the frame 5. No. Let's see. 8. Or 9. Okay. Let's get the frame 9 of the sword. Yeah, look. I mean, he have the sword on his head. You kidding me, Nick? Nah, dude, it cannot work like that. Dude. Dude, no shot. No shot. He's have the word. He have the sword in the head. Dude, what is this? Ah. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, look. I move it. Oh. Oh. Oh, now it worked. But the thing is this gonna work with another attack? Let's check. Attack 1 down. Wait, let's check attack 1 down. Okay, so you have the sword in the back. And then... Okay, this is the last frame, and then... Well, the thing is the sword... Yeah, he's behind. Okay, so what if... During this attack... I do... 1, Okay. Okay, so what I can do, is I need to code every time it's a down attack. I need to code it. Okay, let me check the left one. Left one. I need to code the order. You know? So for the left one is the same thing, right? So attack left, first frame. Frame 0. Look, the sword is behind. So frame 0, you have to do this. It's not even like... Oh yeah. What? Why the sword is like out of place? Eh? I'm confused. Oh my god. Frame 15. Okay, yeah. It's actually working, kind of. Frame 0. Frame 0. So yeah, I'm gonna have to play with the Z order. Actually. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play with the Z order. Because definitively. Yeah. Ah, now it's a line. Ah, I see. Now everything is aligned. Ah, yeah, now it's better. Oh my god. This is crazy, man. Jesus Christ. They made this in 1996? Joking? This is just out of me, dude. So I need to code everything. Actually, I should put the -1 on everything. Because most of the attack it's behind, right? I mean, most of them, no, I don't think. Let's take run up animation. Run up. Okay, so the sword is behind. That's working. Run down. Run down. I mean, it's not bad, you know. It's not bad. It's not bad. Z index 1 is not bad. Yeah, it's not bad actually. What about walk down? Yeah, it's not bad. You see the sword. He looked like he have boobs, huh? Just saying, but maybe it's a binary guys. The DEA will love this game. I will be the #1 DEA game. They will give me so much good comment. The guys have boobs. The guys have boobs. Lift up. It's not bad actually. Like, it's not bad. Except the attack stuff. With an index of 1, it's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna save this. Oh my god. Alright, let me test this, okay? Jesus Christ. I'm gonna have to code it, like to put some script on this. So the sword is there, but you know, it's not moving, but it's working. Why you look like he's floating in the air? Ah, I know why, because I changed the... It's because I changed that thing. He looks like he's floating like this, guys. He looked like he's floating in the air. Look at this. Okay, let me change it. I'm sorry. It's not funny. So basically what I need to do is to put it down. Yeah. Okay, so let me say this. And then I'm gonna put this one down too. Yep, perfect. Save. Okay, let's try this. Well, I'm kind of shocked at all this. There we go. Better. That's better. Okay, everything is working. Seems to work. So the sword is just, you know, chilling there. This is like the idle animation. Interesting. Okay. So what is the next step, kind of? Because I need to code all this. Let me read all this. Actually, I can use the code for every character at this point. I mean, it's not a big deal. I can use the same script. It's just maybe for some attack. I have to change it. But most of all, it's gonna be the same thing. Oh my god. That's interesting. Okay, so what's the big deal with all this? Let me check the video.
I want to set this frame to the frame 128 and update that. All right, so let's make it so that these sprite sheets will keep in sync with the player. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a script to our player sprite 2D, and we're going to use this to help control those. Okay, so let's go to our player folder, and in our scripts folder, we can just create a new script.
You create a new script?
We'll call this player sprite. And
let's see where he's going with this.
Go
I'm
ahead
curious.
and apply this script to our node and open it up. Now, we don't necessarily need to give this a class name right now. I have no... This is gonna get some references to our sprites here, so drag those in.
I cannot do that.
Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the sprite 2D underscore on these, so it's just weapon below. We'll use that when we connect to our Delta so that it signal from our inventory. So we'll use that later as well. So to begin, then, we just need this process function. We're going to use this to update the frames of our weapon sprites. Okay. So this is actually really simple. And what we're going to say is weapon. And we want to start with the below maybe. So weapon underscore below dot frame. There is a frame property and we can update this manually. And so what we're going to do is every time the process runs, we'll just make sure that this updates to have the same frame. So we can say this frame equals and then frame, because the frame, right? This is a sprite 2D that we've got this on. We're just going to have it match the frame. And then
match the frame.
Let's just go ahead and run that so you can see this working. So now you can see that the sprite, when it's below the player at least, is updating. And you can see the sword sometime there, sometimes it's not, right? That's because we've only applied this
match
to
the frame
weapon below sprite. So if we apply it to the weapon above, then we should start seeing the sword when it should be above the player as well. So we'll just simply set the frame equal to frame, and we'll run one more time. And voila. We've got some issue there, don't we? It looks like, oh yeah, really obvious, because we set this to the frame that we're on. We actually don't want that, because remember, we want the below ones to be offset.
You have
so this
two.
Frame count, that's where this comes into play. So we'll just add the frame count. And now if we run again, now it should work a lot better. Wah, wah. There we go. So you can see we've got the sheath.
Okay, so you made the script,
etc. And it should work for all of our animations because they've all been built in there. And everything's looking pretty good. Okay, so that's a real simple way that you can just sync up.
Do you guys understand? Interesting. So he duplicated and he made a script. But like, I'm not sure how this works actually. What he's doing when he's attacking? Wait, so he followed the frame. I try to understand. So he followed the child frame? What? Nah. No. It's not what he's doing. He's doing frame count number 128. No. I cannot do this.
Up sprites. Now this works because we want these sprites to match the animation, and they've been set up to work that they match the animations of our player. If you had weapon sprites that didn't match the animation of the player, then this solution might not work for you.
Yeah.
But even if your weapon sprite animations didn't match, but maybe you had above and below, you could at least sync those two, so you only had to animate one of them. But this is just a nice, handy way.
Weapon above frame, equal frame. So how did he set up the weapon? One second.
In horizontal and vertical frames in visibility, And there's this option to show behind parent. We'll just turn it on. There we go. So now that one is below the player. And then let's go ahead and duplicate this sprite sheet. And I'm going to rename this one, instead of below, we'll call it above. And
okay, so you make two sprite sheet with a setup below and the other. But like, because the sprite is on the sheet all the time. Okay.
Kind of configured, right? We've got the sprite sheet. Let's go ahead and for the, let's see, for the visibility, we'll turn the show behind off, okay? And then by default, I want to set this frame to frame 128. So there's 128 frames per each section, okay? So frame 128 is where it starts back over, and you can see that it's transparent because...
Okay, so you put the default frame. No, I don't think the way he's doing it is gonna work with my stuff, because it's just one frame. No, I don't think it's gonna work. Not the way he's doing it. I think we should not do that. We should play with the Z index for different attack. I think this is what we should do. So if we go to the script, let's try with idle. So if we go with state idle, not really. We have a full player animation thing, right? The machine. Where's the machine? Where's the machine? Player state machine. No. Player. Animation. Okay, okay. Alright. Let's get this one. I'm gonna try to make my own script. Sword base. Okay. Sword base. So update animation. Animation play. Scale X. Okay, let me try this. Sword base. Okay. Okay, so I put the sword base animation. Do I need any other thing? This? I need to do this? Third base. Okay. Let me save this. Let's see. If this work, wow. This is working. You see? It's working. You can see the sword. That's good. I'm gonna run. Okay. Look. Wow. Huh. It work, it work. Okay, now the big thing is the action. What? Okay, this one work. This one work. This one work. Yeah, this one. Okay, so this one, you see the sword on top of his head. Okay, this is bad. Okay, but the rest's working. What happened if I get it? Nothing, really. Oh, it's kind of working. I'm kind of happy. Okay, okay. So, we can see this one is a problem. But that's the only one. Let me try to grab some stuff. Hey, I'm a genius. What are you thinking? Ah, look, 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 look. You see the bush? Look, the sword and the pot. It seems like... Oh, you can see the sword behind the tree. I'm missing something. 1 second. Let me try with this. There's like just one attack that messed up. But I think I can fix it. It's not hard. It's kind of cool that I don't have to set up everything. I'm kind of happy that the result is there. So what about now? I can still see the sword behind the tree. Not sure this is a good thing. You can see the sword behind the guys too. And the bushes. Why? Oh, this is bug out again. Making progress, making progress. Very interesting. Okay. So if I check my sword, my Y index. Ah, okay, it's because of this actually. Yo, Jose. Ah, Jose, you never miss a stream. Thank you to be here again. Never miss a stream, Jose. I think this is why it's bugging. Let me try. Okay, let me see this. Okay, let's see now. Let's take a look. Ah, now it's working. The sword is behind everything. But it's behind me too, huh? Why it's working? Well, this one doesn't work. Well, now we just changed the way. Now this attack doesn't work, but this one works. Yeah, the front attack doesn't work correctly. Oh my god! Okay, we lose the frame. What is going on with this? Wait, what? Why is doing this? Is it me or the sword is going too fast? Why is doing this like that? He's spinning, the sword is faster. What's going on with this? What is this? Okay, there's a couple things to fix, but... Wait, why it's not the same speed? It's not the same speed, I think. That's very strange. Very, very strange. How come it's not the same speed? What is this attack name? Charge, attack down. 40 FPS. Sword. Attack down. 40 FPS. What the hell? Oh no, I misclicked. I misclick. Sorry. Okay, so what's going on with this? Ah, it's bug. Great. I misclicked, my bad. It's my fault. I cannot do this. Dude, this Godot, man. So why the spinning is not timing with the guys? What the hell is this? That's very weird. It's very strange. Maybe because actually I don't know why. Charge, attack down, 40 FPS. Okay. And charge, attack down, 40 FPS. Oh no, not this one, sorry. This one. How come it's not time? Look. Why? It's working in there. It's super good here. Well, there's some problem with, you know, because the sword is not on the good side, but it's kind of working. What if I put the FPS down? Oh no, now it's worse actually. Wait, he's catching it. What the hell is this, man? 41 FPS? This is completely outscale now. Interesting. What the hell is this? Ah, I got it. Look, it's perfect. Wait, it's perfect. Why it doesn't work in the game? That's very strange. Is it the script? It's very weird. Yeah, that's weird. Maybe if I put it in first. I didn't think about that. Like if I put it here on top of it. We try. So he's gonna pop the sword first. Let's try. It's very interesting. No. Well, I think it's better actually. Is it because the frame doesn't fit or? Oh, maybe it's just this actually. Take it. What is the delay of? Yeah, it's better like this. Actually, it's a way better. You just have to fix the frame. So every front attack. Yeah. So, well, except this one. That's the only one. The attack one. Every front attack have to be Z index. Not Z index, but top level. Maybe not top level. Well, no, I have to be one index 1 actually. But just the attack. So it's no big deal, right? How is the delay? Is it too quick? No, it's not bad actually. It's not bad. Definitively the sword is not matching. Like, seriously. Look. It was great to watch. See you later. Need to sleep. Yeah, me too. I'm going to sleep soon. See you another time, EO Flash. I'm going to sleep soon too. I want to move a little bit more with this. Nah, this seems slow. So it's just on this side, because this side is good. Oh no, it's the same thing. It's funny to see the sword like not timing. It's not. It's maybe not because it's not timing. It's maybe because the sword is in the back. But I don't think. Look the hand. I'm not sure about this one. I'm not sure about this one. Well, first, if I fix this first with the charge, will be the good step. So basically, what I have to do is in my script. Charge attack. So he's playing the animation from the other. Okay. Well, that's smart from me, because I don't have to redo all this in every script. Spin attack. I'm surprised this worked. I'm very surprised. It emit. It's very strange. How this work? Attack animation when play. What is attack anim? My animation player. How this is working? Wait a minute. How he spin the sword? I don't have spin attack, right? Spin attack? I don't have this anymore. No? Attack animation. Ah, it's the special effect. That's why it's working, because it's the same name. That's smart for me to use the same name, actually. Okay. Well, that is strange. Okay, so let's try to do ChatGPT, please. How to set animation sprite 2D. Turn on. No. How to change the Z index to animation script. Okay. Okay. Okay, so if I do this, if I do this, not this, do this, I get the sword base, set attack anim sword, okay, and then I do this. Charge 1 attack here. Anim sword attack index 1. And when it's stopped, you put it back to 0. Okay, let me try this. The spin attack. Okay, let's try the spin attack. Imagine it work. Haha. Imagine it. No, there's an error. What's the error? Oh, it's a small error, don't worry. It's a small error. It's just because I need to... it's easy to fix, actually. 1 second. Yo, it's easy to fix. There we go. Okay, let's see. And there's another error. No, it's working. Okay, we are back. So let me try. I think it's working. The sword is not timed. It's very strange. But not only the sword is not timed, but the special effect is not timed too. No, it doesn't follow. But I think it worked. Let me test with the tree maybe. Yeah, see? It's working. Yeah. So we fixed the Z index. But the timing is not there still. We lose the timing, it's crazy. Maybe I should... Oh, I can't say anything. That's very weird. Oh my god. Okay, so let's recheck this. Charge 1 attack. He doesn't play the animation. Spin attack. He doesn't do that. Pretty sure he does not do it. Spin attack. Let me check this. Well. He's doing it. Wait, that's the spin attack? But what is the charge 1 then? It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Maybe that's why there is a delay then. It can be that the problem. Definitively. Because there's two things going on at the same time. I'm gonna remove that one. Let's see. Yeah, that can be the problem. Ah, now everything worked. Look. I don't have the... okay, I understand what's going on. It's the collision. I don't have the collision. Okay, yeah, I understand. Okay, 1 second. So the problem is... I have to remove the animation of this frame. I just have to remove this actually. That's it. But the special effect is not working very well. Not sure why. Doesn't like move or anything. Ah no, that's the old special effect. Oh yeah. I understand why I remove it. So what happened to the GPU thing? Okay, but this is gonna work now. I fix it. It was my script actually. The problem was not the code, was the script. Well, it's the same thing, but who is watching me on Twitch? Someone is watching me. Someone is watching me on Twitch for the beginning. Who is this? Oh, it's Osred. Yeah. Osred is... I'm not sure. You have a bot or something? What? Why it doesn't work correctly? Why it doesn't work? Ah, I didn't put back the script. I'm so dumb. I need to put back the script. I'm so stupid sometimes. And now I cannot see anything because the program is bugged. Oh my god, dude. I don't know why I do that sometimes. How many times I load this? So it's gonna work finally. I mean, I'm working on the script. Just need some adjustment, but charge attack. Yeah, so spin attack. There we go. Now it should work. Yeah, here we go. Nice working. Okay. So we fix one thing. We just need to fix the front attack. But the rest is working correctly. So I don't care about the rest. Let me check the grabbing stuff. We just need to fix the front stuff. And actually, you're gonna see the sword behind the tree. Look. But it's okay. Yo. Take it, bro. Dude, they're running fast. Oh my god. Can't even kill these guys. 5 damage ticket. Okay, everything is good except the front. Okay, so what do we do with the front attack? Do we do a little script that will... in my main script, maybe? My player script? Every front attack, you just put the index, change the index. No? Not a good idea. Maybe in the state. State attack. Ah, yeah, look. Yeah, look. I can put it here. Like... I can put a condition here that said if the animation direction... Update animation. And the thing is... the thing is... I need something more simple than this. Like the char attack. Let's see. The char attack, charge 1. Animation direction. So he's passing by animation direction. So what we can do is every time the animation direction is down in player, it's gonna fix everything. Animation direction. Yeah, so here. So if I said, I'm not sure I need this. How can I get the south direction? Set direction vector 0. How can I do this? Yeah, this is the split. Okay, yeah, that's good. -1, no. Direction ID. If it's down, return down. So when you run this, when you run animation direction, it's here. Okay, okay. Good, good. So here, if it's down, look at this. You do this. Every time it's down, you put the index to 1. And every time it's up, you put the index to 0. And every time it's left, you put the index to 0. Look at this. I'm a genius. Oh my god. I think I'm a genius. Let's see. Oh my god. This is cool because it's gonna work with every sword and everything. Look at this. It's working. We can work with the tree, look. I didn't put it back. Oh no. No, it's because I move. Yeah. So you see? So every time the attack is down, he put the sword correctly. Ha! I'm the genius. Look at this. It's working. It's working very well. It's working very well. Let me tell you. Wow. Okay, I fix it. Wow, that's GG. Huh? Dude, I did it. Not bad. It's getting like Secret of Mana slowly with the weapon, so we can switch weapons soon. It's very good. I could put this one like as a Z index too. The side. That can be nice, you know. Let me try. So if I do player. If you do left, you do 1. You're gonna see the sword better. Let's see. Yeah, let's see this. I mean, you're gonna see the sword a lot more. I guess it depends of the character too, but look. Yeah, look. You see the sword a lot more. Yeah. That's nice. It's kind of weird when he's walking. Yeah, it's just weird when he's walking, but you can see the sword better. It's not bad. That's good. Yeah, it's working well, and I didn't like do big scripting. It's all in the animation. It's pretty good actually. The only problem is now, yeah, I can see the sword behind the tree and stuff. And before it was just one thing. Yeah, that's a problem, actually. I'm gonna remove it just for that. Or can I fix with the tree, maybe? Maybe... Nah, I don't think I can, because I use the index. I mean, what's the... Because the player use YZ? He's using Y short at 0 and it's working. So why? That's very weird. What this one is using? YZ at 0. So why it's working then? And what about this one? I mean, they all have YZ at 0. It's just because I force it. Yeah. Well, no big deal. I'm satisfied with this one. Yeah, it's because I'm forcing it. Well, Well, it's better than nothing. Let me tell you, it's better than nothing. Okay, so I can deal with that. I can deal with that. Alright, so we have it. So what he's doing is his next video. I mean, not video, but we have it now. We fixed the thing.
Animate one of them. But this is, now that we have our weapon sprites animated with the player, we need to be able to work on handling the equipment change. And before we can do that, we need to have a way to get a reference to the textures that are associated with each weapon, because right now we have no way of determining, you know, what sprite sheet to use when we change equipment. And so we need to go into our items script folder and open the equipable item data. And we're going to need to add an additional variable here. So right now we have a type.
Let me see this. Is it easy to do? Equipment item data.
And we have the modifiers. Let's go ahead and export one additional variable that we'll call sprite
this is
texture.
where you get the sprite texture.
And this will be of type texture. Okay.
That's
Just
the
like
sort.
that. And once we save this
How you do
script,
that?
we're going to need to
I'm
go
curious.
through our different equipable items and update that texture. So for this ninja suit, I'm going to come here where it says sprite texture, and I'm just going to load. And you can see I've got my player underscore sprite underscore ninja suit. That's the texture I want there. Go ahead and save that. Tunic, I'm going to do the same thing. Now the tunic is going to be using just the player sprite texture. Okay, so just select that. And then let's go down to our weapon for our iron sword. Quick load. What's it called? Just sword. So we've got player sprite sword. Save that. Lastly, the katana.
So it just changed the
Click load this.
texture.
And it does have katana in the name. There we go. So I've got all those saved and updated. Now we can go back to our player sprite. In the player sprite script, we're going to find our inventory. So we'll go player manager and get the instance of our inventory data. And the inventory, if you recall, has this equipment changed signal. And so we'll connect to that. And we'll just use our on equipment changed function that we've already set up below. So now we just need to code this function, and it's going to be quite simple as well. So let's get a reference to our equipment just to make this a little bit easier. So the equipment is an array of slot data, and this will equal our player manager.
Let's see where he's going with this.
Inventory data, and then we have that function to get the equipment slots. It's just called equipment slots, just like that. So that's going to give us all of our equipment. Now, if you remember, our armor is the first element in our equipment slots, and the weapon is the second, so at index 0 and index 1. And so we can use that to our advantage here. Now, rather than trying to determine which piece of equipment changed, because this function is only going to be called when we actually change equipment, so not very often, I'm going to go ahead and just swap the armor and the sword, even if they don't change. So what we can do is to swap the armor, we just need to swap the texture on this node, because we're looking at our player sprite right now.
Switching
So
the
we can just say texture
texture.
equals, and then grab the texture from our armor equipment. So that's going to be
So the
equipment
sprite
at
texture.
index 0 dot item data dot sprite underscore texture. Now, if this works, I should be able to run the game and swap out for this ninja suit. So when I equip this, there we go. You can see that it changed the sprite sheet.
Okay,
that
so
we're
he
using for the
changed the
player.
texture.
Easy
So I
peasy,
have
right?
to do this
And
with the
because
sword.
the ninja suit has the exact same frame layout as the other player sprite, it just works. So that's something that's obviously important, right? All of your sprite sheets need to have matching frames for each animation.
It's not very
Okay.
complicated when you think about it.
And let's go ahead and do the same now for our weapons. We've got two weapon sprites. We've got our weapon below and weapon above. So let's do weapon below dot texture.
Okay,
equals-
so
And then we do basically the same
every
thing. I'm just going to copy this. But instead of grabbing the item at index 0, we will get it at index 1. Then I'm going to copy this.
So
paste
it's gonna be animated
be
to
right above.
detecture actually.
Okay. So let's run the game and test one more time.
Okay, I got it.
And I don't have a weapon to equip until I get one, I guess. Okay, there we go. We've got the katana. So now if I equip the katana,
Okay, I
boom, you
got
can see
it.
updated
So I
sprites
need
for
an
that,
animation
which the
to
katana's
detecture
fun.
to
I like
change.
the red handle and the little,
That makes sense.
the little
That
dangly
makes
bits.
sense.
And
Okay.
so in our game, we've updated some of the code. The fix to this is actually going to be quite simple. And then that emit change is going to hit somewhere in our inventory and going to update. This is fine. Everything addressed this earlier because some people might not make it this far. Let me demonstrate the bug real quick. So in our game, we've updated some of the code on how we handle items, and I need to get a consumable real quick. Okay, there we go. We've got an apple. Now, this is fine. Everything seems to work good until we use an item and we run out. You'll notice that we're trying to access the quantity on a null, an object of type nil, meaning we don't actually have anything left in that slot. Okay, because we've used up the apples. So we just need to account for this little bug.
So I need to do the other sword to test all this and make the system. I'm not sure I want to do it tonight, but I mean, I can do it. It's no big deal. So what I'm gonna do is new animated to this sprite. I'm gonna call it sword broadsword, right? Broadsword. So I'm gonna load the empty base. Okay. And I'm gonna save as bug out or what? I think it's bug out. 1 second. There's a lot of bug tonight with Godot. Okay. So save as broadsword. Okay, save. Okay. So yeah, so broadsword, attack 1 down, alright. So player, sprite, new sword base, tier 1 sword, new sword tier 1. Okay. Attack 1 down. Okay. 8x8, that's the new sword. It's a big sword. You can see here. Look. That's a big one. So I'm gonna have to hide it actually. Okay. Why have a double... Oh no, it's just the sword actually. Okay, it's working. Alright, that's cool. Okay, yeah, it's work. I just have to do everything. So attack left 1. Ugh. It's just crashing, I think. Oh, my Godot crash again. Okay, I think I'm done for tonight anyway. We're gonna continue tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, same time. We're gonna continue, and we're gonna make this happen. We're getting closer and closer to have a weapon system like Secret of Mana, which is cool. And we're gonna push this a little bit with armor. So, yes. So tomorrow we're gonna continue.